Which came first, the chicken or the egg? It's an age-old question which is yet to be successfully answered. But when you're talking about vaccines, well, the answer is the egg comes first because it's used to incubate a virus that results in a vaccine. But that's all about to change using technology known as mRNA.
To grow a virus in a chicken egg takes about 6 months. And then you extract the killed virus, and that's what's injected into the human being. And then the human makes, if you will, antibodies to that killed virus. It's a different mechanism when you're using mRNA. What you actually do is inject mRNA in a very, very small lipid molecule under the skin, and then the body takes over and uses those instructions to make viral proteins.
When they develop a seasonal flu vaccine for our hemisphere,
the data is consistent with the strain we're modeling.
It's quadrivalent, meaning they put 4 different strains into the same vaccine. That's based on decisions by the World Health Organization.
For the summary data of the different components of the vaccine, as well as zoonotic data, as usual, we start with H1N1.
As to which strains that appeared in the southern hemisphere are most likely to affect the population of the northern hemisphere. But sometimes they get it wrong because the strains mutate before the vaccines here are issued, and that makes the vaccines less effective. mRNA technology will allow vaccine makers to make changes in those strains quicker during the flu season if things change, without having to wait 6 months for a chicken egg virus to be developed.
The mRNA process can go much, much quicker, under a few months. And actually, it can be a more specific dose for the flu that you're confronting.
The mRNA technology was first developed during the pandemic to get COVID vaccines into circulation as quickly as possible. But because of the way the mRNA vaccines are created, there is a better chance of a short-term reaction after you get the injection.
The reactions that people get when you get a vaccine are more intense when you get the mRNA vaccine versus the traditional. And that's likely because more infection-fighting cells are triggered when you get it versus the traditional cell.
How exciting is all this mRNA technology ultimately?
Well, as a primary care doctor, I've seen the profound consequences of flu season. So in the United States, we have thousands of people that die from it, thousands that get hospitalized. It's very, very sad. So I'm excited because this data suggests it's more effective than the traditional way to make vaccines. And given how serious it is, I'm excited for this new development. Something new that's different from the past 70 years.
The question is, will the FDA approve the mRNA flu vaccines for use in this country? The agency is currently debating the issue even as the fall flu season in the Northern Hemisphere rapidly approaches. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Sprazier.